Hello friends, and welcome to another review video of this new product which is known as Energize. And you can see the website, it's grabenergize.com/preview. So the product is not launched yet. This is the preview website. This will be launching in next few hours, and that is why I am going to launch this review before this product gets launched, so that you can save your money and don't waste your money. Now, before we get into the details, let's go through the disclaimer first, because if you're watching this video, then only watch this video if you can watch it till the end. Otherwise, you will lose your money and you're responsible for that. Second is subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. And also, this video is not free, so you have to pay the fees for watching our video. The link is in the description. Click on the link and pay our fees, okay? Now, next thing is, let's go ahead and start the review here. Let's go back to this page, and it says world's first high ticket elite commission offer 2021 in 60 seconds flat. Clone our automated high ticket commission system with free buyer traffic from 400 plus million visitors. We have heard that term before, right? Free traffic and buyer traffic. So they have used both in one. Free buyer traffic, a biggest joke in the world, right? I'll prove it in next few minutes, so not to go anywhere. Now let's go through their bullet points. It says elite buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. Secret source of 400 million buyers, and nobody knows what is a secret source. 100% done for you sites and system. All traffic is 100% included for free. Designed for beginners. Brand new tech for 2021. Work from home starting today. Achieve financial freedom. Quit your job. Don't quit your job, okay? And stop failing finally and breakthrough. 6 months money back guarantee. And I think they are selling it for 9.95. So they're selling this piece of crap for 10 bucks. And then they will suck you inside with their upgrades. So if you go for this product, which will cost you like $10 upfront, you won't get anything in that $10, and then they will try to lucrate you, using their funnels and upgrades. So they'll try to suck you out. I'll show you how their upgrade looks like. Let's go through here, I guess, somewhere here, or actually here. So you see here, this is the affiliate program, and it says that the first basic product is for 17 bucks. Then you have an upgrade for 27, then you have 47, 147. These are their upgrades. So you are actually not going to make any money, because they're going to suck you up in their upgrades, right? Now let's go further onto their website, and let's go through some. Okay, these are some fake screenshots, as you can see on every website on Warrior Plus. And these are some fake reviews. Step 1, 2, 3. There's nothing explanatory here. It says first step is buy this button to secure your copy, log in, and get traffic and get sales. All bullshit, right? Now I'll prove it in a moment. Just stick with me. Now I have seen this picture in one of the reviews which I did yesterday on some other products. So this picture is copied. So as you can see, the tactic, whosoever is developing or making these kind of spammy sites, they are the same developers somewhere in Philippines or wherever they are. So they are actually outsourcing this work to people who are in good, who are making these websites, and then they're kind of making same kind of websites for every product. That is how you can catch that these people are just doing some dodgy work. And then again, let's go through their main 3 steps if you can find onto their website somewhere by scrolling down. Okay, it's like a lot of lengthy work here. Okay, there are 3 steps. Again, click the buy button. So it doesn't explain anything. What are they going to do for you? It says just buy the product, log in, and then switch and make money. There's no money there to be made. I'll just show you the review video here. Let's say this is the dashboard. This is the inside look of this particular software. And if you will notice in the next few seconds, let me play the video actually. Okay, now the video is played. And these are the campaigns. So this is how you make campaigns. In a moment I'll show you those free traffics which they're talking about. Obviously, the free traffic sources will be Facebook, Reddit, Quora, some other kind of apps. There will be like tons of apps which you might not have heard about in your lifetime. So those will be the free traffic which you will be getting inside, and all they need to do is, all they are asking you to do is go ahead and spam your affiliate links to all those traffic sources. Go and spam Facebook, spam Twitter, spam Pinterest, and spam everything. Now also the main focus of the product is to promote high ticket affiliate offers. Now, high ticket affiliate offers is like a product which is worth $1,000. So if you sell that product to somebody, so you make commission. So if you sell that product of $1,000, you might make commission of $300 or $400 on one sale. But friends, buying something doesn't make you rich. So first of all, you will not be able to sell that product because let me show you how this free traffic works. Let me forward the video. Okay, so this is the one of the sales page they will give you automatically done for you, and then free traffic is something you will see now. So these will be the free traffic sources which are going to come on your screen now. You see here, now these are those free traffic sources. Have you seen any of these traffic sources in your lifetime? AOL, Aim&Me, ZocDoc, I don't know, God knows what, Amazon. How can you get free traffic from these things? You might only have heard about Facebook or Messenger or LinkedIn and all that. Nobody actually going to buy anything from there, okay? So this is all a bogus product, and I will prove the technical aspects of this website. How is it bogus as well? Because let's say if we just copy this URL, I'm going to copy that, and then let's go to the website which we showed you yesterday, which is whois.com, and then just click on the magnifying glass, and you have all the details you need. So their domain is grabenergize.com, and they have registered this domain with name.com inc, and this domain was registered on 7th of May 2021, last month, and this expires next year. So this typically means if they're claiming that their system has been making money for them for last, I don't know for how many days. So if you go at the top here, it says that this particular system has, we use this to make thousands in daily commissions, no experience needed. So of course they're right, because they might make some money by selling you the scrap because you are desperate. Friends, you're desperate to make money. That is why you are on to Warrior Plus, trying to get some systems so that can make you rich. There's no system in the world which can make you rich. So first of all, keep your credit card details inside your pocket. Don't be ready to just give out your credit card details to anybody online and thinking that they will make you rich. No, if you spend $1,000 from your pocket on a system in order to make some money online, first of all understand those $1,000 are not going to make you rich. Instead, those $1,000 are going to be deducted from your bank account. So you will actually spend those $1,000 and you will be short of $1,000. You will be in minus $1,000. You will be in negative $1,000. So putting $1,000 somewhere, it only takes you in minus. It doesn't make you money. And if some gurus teaches you how to make money, there are only 3-4 default ways people can teach you how to make money. First of all, find a product. Okay, it's good you find a product from ClickBank, from some other affiliate offers. Now once you find the product, all you need to do is bring some traffic in. And how do you bring traffic in? You bring traffic in 4 or 5 ways. Either you do Google ads, either you do Facebook ads, either you do some Pinterest ads, either you do SEO, or you do some cold traffic or spamming links over the internet. Now my friends, anybody can get Google ads, Facebook ads. Nobody needs to teach you that. Nobody needs to spend $1,000 for somebody to tell you that go and create a Facebook campaign or create a Google ads campaign. So all these gurus are charging you $1,000, $1,500. So they're charging you this kind of money just for telling you that how you can go and get onto Facebook or Google Ads and all that. Now also you need to know that that's not going to last for long. So if you create Google Ads, your account will get suspended. If you create Facebook ads, your ads will not be approved, your account will be suspended. So Google Ads, Facebook ads, these are not the permanent solution of your affiliate marketing or getting traffic. The only permanent source for you is you either do blogging or you make YouTube videos for promoting these products. And even if you promote these products, that means it's unethical, because you're telling lies to people to buy something so that you can make some money. It's like you have to find some victims so that you can feed on you. Similarly, you'll find a lot of videos on YouTube. They will be promoting this product because they want to make some commissions, right? They want to make $5, $10 by selling these crappy products. Now, again, the overall conclusion is that don't buy this crap. And not only this one, there are millions of such bogus products on Warrior Plus and all over the internet, and they do false marketing, false selling. I'll prove it again how this product is a scam, because I already have showed you that this is like only registered on 7th of May. And again, you can check their website authority. If I just paste their website here and we go to atrips.com, click on check backlinks, you must have seen this in our videos before. So this is their website authority. It is domain rating 0.1. Now 0.1 out of 100 is like it's bullshit. So backlinks for referring domains 3. So they have no authority online, and they are fairly new website. They are going to start ripping off people from today onwards. Even after I have made this video, a lot of people will be buying this product because they cannot watch this video. People will be emailing them this product because they will have a mail list and they will screw them up. So they will scam people. Even those affiliates, they're scamming people by launching or by promoting these kind of products. So even if I'm making this video, still there will be a lot of victims, and a lot of people will be fall in this trap, and they will lose their money even after me making this video. Now, if you genuinely want to earn some money or actually want to learn how to make money, then what you guys need to do is you can read our blogs. Our blogs are free for you. So you will find the link in the description that will take you to this page, and you can go through all these blogs. There are hundreds of blogs here. You can see how to drive more traffic, how to increase conversion, how to drive traffic using these tools. So these are the blogs which you can access and read for free, because until you do not have knowledge, you cannot make money, okay? There's no system, buddy. There's no system. You have to gain experience. You have to gain knowledge. So you can read all these blogs. It is absolutely free content for you. You can watch our videos like this, which are free. These blogs are free for you. And also you can take a look how to earn money using SEO if you go through this article here, because you see your Google account will be suspended, your Facebook will be suspended, everything will be suspended. Then what are you gonna do, right? So this actually teaches you how to get organic traffic using SEO. So you'll have to go through all this in your life if you are serious about making money. I'll leave the link in the description so you can read everything. And before we end the video, make sure you go ahead and pay our fees. We are doing this paid review for you, so click on the link in the description, pay our fees, and subscribe to the channel, like the video. We'll see you shortly with the next review product. Thank you for watching.